They are the mainstay of our organisation. Without the volunteers, there's a lot that we couldn't do.
I took over Shining Stars from a friend of mine, and it was such a good nursery. Like, my daughter went to this nursery when she was 2 years old. She was one of the first kids there. They all came as a community to meet up every week, and they built long-lasting friendship.
Everyone should consider volunteering. I feel it helps them in their day-to-day life. They develop their own self-confidence and self-esteem.
It's very influential for me. I'm learning a lot.
I love how diverse it is. I love the fact that we can kind of all come and share all of our different experiences. Being able to see people from your own communities and from backgrounds similar to yours supporting you, that's the best start you can have, really.
That's what makes it special. It feels like family.
Every volunteer is just so different, and they bring their unique ways.
It's their willingness to help.
I love being a volunteer because it helps me grow.
It's helped build my confidence back up.
It keeps you informed. I just love it. It's fun. It's happy.